Are you getting annoyed by the Libacs Library DLL causing your system integrity to fail? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's resync your file architecture right now. Before the technical guide for Libacs Library, I've linked a maintenance resource to help stabilize your background processes. This is the Libacs Library. This module provides localized access control system (ACS) logic for certain enterprise-grade software suites. It enforces permission validation, department-based access policies, and role verification during authentication workflows. In legacy ERP deployments, its absence can prevent proper credential validation, causing applications to stall during login with messages such as "authority levels could not be verified." With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. The Libacs Library DLL library is a critical dependency of the AACS Decryption Library Blu-ray framework, and the most effective fix is to reinstall the specific program where you received the error to force a fresh deployment of the internal file. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Libacs library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Replacing Libacs library without a proper diagnostic environment can lead to DLL hell, where multiple conflicting versions of the library paralyze your operating system's ability to load software. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. A maintenance path for Libacs library and system optimization is outlined in the diagnostic resource linked below. If Libacs library is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.